Okay, warning, this video does contain a lot of flashing fireworks, very bright fireworks. So if you have epilepsy or any other eye disorder that can be triggered by flashing lights, then please do not go any further through this video than you already are. And also, I'd advise you to turn the volume down, because a lot of these fireworks, well, not all of them, but a couple of these fireworks are quite loud. So you're going to want to turn your volume down a little bit.
Got me that one.
She's in the kitchen.
What? Christ.
I look back and
Whoa.
right. I'm blind. I liked it.
Whoa. I like these ones.
This one's nice, nothing.
Next one, Lisa.
Jumped on it. He says something.
It's going. My next door's gone.
It was. Sorry.
That one didn't really puff.
It went straight over the fence. Chair is on fire.
What's she doing?
And another.
Shoes down. Whoa.
Come on, man.
Feel like it's gonna be a rocket. Oh no, it's not. Right.
Went well with that. See the legs on the thing?
Oh yeah, I can see. I can't even put a picture anymore. Seriously?
It looks really cool on the iPad.
Text me, child.
Okay, everybody, that was my quick fireworks video. So yeah, this was recorded exactly on bonfire night, and I think it will be released maybe tonight as well. So yeah, I think the last one was pretty good because it kind of tricked all of us. None of us knew that it was going to just like burn down and then set off like 5 seconds later. We didn't do that for acting. But yeah, we got a couple screeches in there, a couple of R's. But yeah, it was pretty good. We got a good, yeah, well, the Catherine wheel wasn't that good because it didn't spin very much. There was a really good one as well, but I couldn't include it though, guys, because my dog ran outside and he got close and we had to push him back in. So I didn't want to include that one. But yeah, just about all of them were pretty good. And I'm about to record the beginning of the video. I'm about to record the first part, saying, just warning and that, because as you saw, a lot of them fireworks were quite bright. And yes, I know I haven't uploaded in ages, and I've been planning to do another how to draw video. And yeah, what I'm going to do is going to be the marionette and the nightmare marionette in the same video. Then I'll be Balloon Boy and Nightmare Balloon Boy. So yeah, I'm going to be starting from the easiest ones again, and then I'll be going harder, but obviously not doing the ones I've already drawn in previous videos. So yeah, I should be doing another video on the weekend, so 2 or 3 days time. Yeah, that's the video. Goodbye, everybody.